I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Quest 2. First, ensure your device is charged to at least 50%. Resetting can resolve many common issues, from performance glitches to connectivity problems, and it's a crucial troubleshooting step. We'll cover both a simple restart and a full factory reset, which wipes all data. Always back up any important game saves or media if possible before proceeding with a factory reset. A soft reset, or simply restarting your Quest 2, is often the first step to fix minor issues without losing any data. To do this, find the power button on the right side of your headset. Press and hold it down for about 10 seconds until you see the device power off completely. Release the button, and then press it again briefly to turn your Quest 2 back on. This simple action can resolve many temporary software glitches. If a soft reset doesn't work, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember this will erase all data. First, power off your Quest 2. Then, simultaneously press and hold the power button and the volume down button until the boot menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to factory reset and the power button to select it. Confirm your decision when prompted. Your device will then restart as if it were brand new. You can also perform a factory reset using the Meta Quest app on your smartphone, which is convenient if your headset isn't fully functional. Open the app and ensure your Quest 2 is paired. Go to the Devices section, select your headset, and then tap on Headset Settings. Scroll down to find the Advanced Settings or More Settings option, and there you will see the Factory Reset option. Confirm your choice, and the reset will begin remotely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.